Alright guys, we're just pulling into this job here. It's currently 9:15. This is the stone that we're doing today. It's all a bunch of mitered benches. I'll go show you what we're working with. Alright, the guy's coming with his key, so we're just going to work on getting these unstrapped before I show you guys in. Alright guys, 9:20, they just let us in. These are the benches we're working with here. It's going to waterfall down the front, drop down there. This one's going to be waterfall down the front, and this one has 2 drops on it. So you have the first drop, second drop, same thing here. And then they're working on moving all their stuff in front of this section and this section now. Should be fun. It's like 2 degrees outside today, so everybody's freezing cold. Really fun. Alright guys, 9:30 and the first bench is in. Nothing's glued in yet, but we have them set in place so they can stay warm inside here. But so far everything's looking really good. Guys, 9:36 and the second bench is in. Alright guys, 9:44, third bench is in. Going down here. They didn't put screws in the bench down here, so I gotta do that real quick. This one's loose. Alright, 10:09 and the 5th bench is in. We've got 1 more to go. Alright guys, 10:20 and the last and final bench, number 6 bench is in. Just another amazing fit. We actually did the seams for these ones on site or at the shop, so those were just able to flop right in. So those 2 are done. So we're just down to these 4 benches now. Alright, 11:03 and our seams are just finished setting up over here. Alright, 11:24 and we have the seam setting over here on our second bench. The ones over here just finishing up. Those should be good to get pulled off now. Alright, it's 12:04 and the last 2 seams are set in here. This bench is done. The 2 seams over there just finishing up, and the 2 benches on the ends over here are totally done. But really great fit. Can't even see the seams, so seamless look. Everything looks really fantastic. Tiles going on this back wall, but everything looks really good. Alright, it's 12:20 and these 2 benches here are finished up. This one's wiped down. We just gotta finish wiping this one down after some of our fill dries in the seam there. But it's coming along really nice. And then over there we have that final seam setting over there. Alright, it's 1 o'clock and we just finished up. Already got the caution tape out in front of the section there. He's gonna foam board it off here. Same thing here. These are all cautioned off and everything already. But everything's looking really good. It's hard to tell on the picture and the video, but this floor actually slopes down, so everything's scribed to that floor as well. Or, has to follow that floor, the contour of the floor. Over here slopes too, but not quite as much. But then you only got one drop down here. But overall, really pretty cool look. And we will see you on the next one.